Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on maintaining your PS5 internally. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step to ensure your console operates at peak performance. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. If you don't have these tools at your disposal, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to assist with your console maintenance needs. Begin by ensuring your PS5 is powered off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the bottom of the console. Be careful to keep track of these screws, as they are vital for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the outer casing. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or components. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. After removing the outer shell, you will see the internal components. The first area to focus on is the fan. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, so using the can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the fan and surrounding areas. Remember to hold the fan in place while doing this to prevent it from spinning and potentially causing damage. Next, let's inspect the heatsink and the thermal paste. If the thermal paste appears dry or cracked, it's a good idea to replace it. Clean off the old thermal paste with a microfiber cloth and apply a new layer sparingly. If you feel unsure about this process, consider our quote before repair service for a hassle-free experience. Now, let's address the hard drive. Ensure it is seated properly and free from dust. If you have the option, you might want to upgrade your hard drive for enhanced performance. If you don't feel comfortable performing these upgrades, remember, we can assist you with professional service that includes no calls, no travel. After inspecting and cleaning all the internal components, it's time to reassemble your PS5. Start by carefully placing the outer casing back on, ensuring all clips align correctly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened securely. Finally, plug your console back in and power it on. Listen for any unusual noises indicating further issues. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your PS5, providing you with an uninterrupted gaming experience. If you ever need assistance, don't forget that we're here to help with convenient services tailored to your needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.